Hey goodies, do y'all see this? I mean, she is dry. Okay, she is dry. Y'all, I haven't washed my hair in about 2 weeks, and this hair needs a little bit of TLC. I'm about to wash it, condition it, and get these curls popping again because, baby, this hair is too cute for it to be looking like this. You hear me? All right, so let's get this hair together. Come on, y'all. What I'm going to be using is this old school oldie but goodie mane and tail, okay? Mane and tail has been around for years, honey. This is not a sponsored video. I went to Walmart and I paid my little $7, yes, for both of these bottles. So I'm just going to go ahead and detangle my hair in the shower. And you guys, detangling this hair with just water was everything, okay? It is like a dream. My hands were going straight through. I didn't have to do any tugging, no raking, no combing, or nothing. So I'm going to go ahead and just put this into 4 sections and start to shampoo my hair. Now that we have our 4 sections in, I am ready to shampoo this hair. And yeah, so I like to stay organized. Like I section everything. If I'm doing braids, twists, shampoos, like I do it all in sections. It just makes it a lot easier. I don't know if you guys can tell just by looking, but y'all, this shampoo is applying so smoothly. It is like silk. Like, what did they do? This is a definitely a new and improved product. And I promise y'all, this is not sponsored. I paid $3.50, maybe about $3 and some change for the shampoo, and about $3 and some change for the conditioner. But just look how it lathers. Man, this is so smooth. Like, what did they do to this shampoo? I remember back in the day, it used to, strip all of your oils out and it would leave your hair dry. But girl, they did something to this shampoo. Like, it is exactly what this hair needs. So rinsing the shampoo out, I'm just making sure that I get all the products out of my hair, even under my braids, as you can see right here, and under my tracks, just to make sure everything is squeaky clean before I add the conditioner. After I saturate the hair with the conditioner, I am going to go in with my Denman brush and just kind of work everything in. You're going to see that in a second here. And this just kind of gives it what it needs, to make sure that every strand is getting that conditioner. And I would even do this on my natural hair as well. Y'all, look at those curls. Look at that. Look at those curls. I am just in awe. Like, I haven't even done anything to this hair yet. And those curls are so moisturized. I mean, they're so hydrated and they're looking absolutely gorgeous. Y'all stick with me through this video because you are going to see the end result. Like, and I'm going to do a before and after. Yeah, I am pleased, okay? I am absolutely pleased. So look how airy and flowy that is. This hair is so light and it has just been brought back to life, honey. All right? Like, where they doing this at? Right now, I'm just going to just towel dry this hair without any heat and just let it flow. Okay, y'all, look at these curls. Look how light and airy and flowy those curls are. You guys can just even let this hair air dry, and I trust that the curls will come out absolutely amazing without any product. Because look at this. Like, look at all that movement. Look at all that body. Air dry will be so cute. I'm gonna actually try this one day and show you guys, how it comes out just with no product and allow it to air dry. But right now I'm just going to put this hair into some twists because it is late and I'm going to get ready for bed, and I'm just going to put on a bonnet, girl, and come back in the morning and show you guys how I revive these curls. But it is late, excuse my voice. I know I sound raspy, but girl, I need to go to sleep. All right, goodies. It is the next day, and I'm taking out the twist. The hair is so clean, so soft, and I'm going to use my handy dandy spray bottle, and I'm going to saturate this hair in some water before I add the products. And I like to do this because I believe that you don't have to use so much product, to get those curls to pop. So I like to go ahead and, you know, um, like I said before, just saturate it with water and brush it through. And y'all, this is just water. Like, look at that. Those curls are in, honey. And so when I add the product, it's just going to be 10 times better. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this Curl Boss, and I got it from TJ Maxx. I've never used it before, and girl, let me tell you, this Curl Boss is pressure, honey. She heavy. She heavy. Okay, she is not to be played with. I forgot how much I paid for this, but they have it at TJ Maxx, and yeah, if you have never heard of Curl Boss, then you can go ahead and pick that up, honey. And again, this is not sponsored. I purchased all of the products I use in this video with my own money. So I'm just going to just take a couple of strands and just twirl them around my finger. This will give a nice little, coil cluster effect after the hair dries, honey. And I can't wait for you guys to see it. But already, like, look at those curls, okay? I'm going to go ahead and finish the back off camera because I don't want this video to be too long. And voila, just like that, I'm done. Now I'm just going to take my diffuser and kind of just give this hair a head start into drying. It is early in the day, and I will come back and show you guys how the hair look at the end of the day. But for right now, we are going to use this diffuser, create some volume, give the hair some depth, give a chance for those curls to pop, and yeah. So if you don't have a diffuser, you should get one because this is definitely a part of your curly hair routine, okay? So yeah, it's a must-have. I am still a little damp, but it's okay. I'm going to come back and show you guys how it look, after the day or whatever. So I'm just going to take my pick, and I'm just going to pick the roots out a bit. Just to kind of give it some volume, and to style it a bit. I think it looks really pretty when it's picked up like this. So, the sides and pick it like this, you know. Just kind of elongate the curls a little bit like this. Okay, can y'all see? The lighting in my bathroom is not that good. So it's the end of the day. As you can see, the hair has swelled a lot, and this is exactly what I like. That body is just everything. So what I'm going to do now to preserve my curls for tomorrow, I am just going to pineapple my hair. Okay, this is an old method. This is an oldie but goodie, but it still works, like a magic. Okay, so look at that. This is after I'm going out today and the hair is still very curly. So I'm just gonna bring everything to the front, right? As you can see, I'm looking like Erica Badu. So yeah, so I'm just gonna bring my hair up. Alright, so I'm just gonna take my bonnet and just put it over in no particular, no particular way. The curls are up and they are not gonna bother me when I'm sleeping. So yeah, I look like, a chef right now. Pillsbury dough girl, but this is exactly how I go to bed, okay? So, and I will go ahead and just like flip this to kind of keep the bonnet on, right? And that's it. And tomorrow my curls will be good as new. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what's your curly hair routine. If you guys have some products that you want to introduce me to that works really well also with curly hair, then leave it down in the comments. We can share ideas. But this is it, girl. And yeah, so this is how I'm sleeping. Not on my face though. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give me a like, leave a comment, with some suggestions of some products like I said before. And don't forget to subscribe, honey, all right? We are slowly climbing to 1,000 subscribers. Because when you guys subscribe, YouTube will push my content out there. I got a lot of good videos that I want to share with everybody. Karen is sharing. Go ahead and share the video. And yeah, so again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
You a move body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. Think you cool, tatted up.